January 2025 and it's snowing outside in Florida. Something I predicted back in October would happen. Now, a lot of people think that there's something called global warming, and I've constantly said it's climate change. But what scientists won't talk about is the fact that this climate change is from two specific things. One is a pole shift is happening. Now, for some reason, my videos were taken down when I said this on TikTok. Yet, if you research it, you'll find that scientists actually say we're in the middle of a pole shift or that it could happen anytime. And yet, when they say that, they also say, well, the magnetic pole is racing towards Siberia at an alarming rate. And they will tell you that the Earth has tilted its position, which is BS because it's not the Earth that's tilting, it's the electromagnetic field that's tilting. That is why we see things like the sun and the moon in strange places, and people are reporting this all over the world. I did a video back in September of 2024 where I said the sun and the moon were not aligned during the eclipse. Everybody thought I was nuts, but that video went to 4 million views because there were people that actually were fascinated and understood that there's something weird going on in our world. The way that happens is when there's a pole shift, the torus field is spinning, it's tilted, it's tilting it in a different way. This is causing the weather changes all over the world. It's not you, it's not your fault, but that's what the elitists want you to think. They want you to think it's your fault because you're driving a car that they're forcing you to drive because they're forcing you to be dependent upon the fossil fuels. So I want everybody to know that if you just do a little bit of research for yourself and you think for yourself, you're going to understand why we were lied to about the world model, what's really going on with the climate changes, why they're taking place right now. And all of these things will be tied together for you so you can see the big picture. You are not a speck on a ball spinning in a void that holds billions of tons of water to it, but can't hold a drop of water when the wind blows. That's not the true model of this world. If you research primer fields, you'll figure it out for yourself. I'm going to ridicule anybody that says anything about the so-called flat Earth, which is really a primer field. But all electromagnetic fields have a flat plane of inertia. Research it. The other reason we're experiencing these weird weather changes is mankind interfering using technologies, but we can't talk about that.